Welcome to Presto. Today we're making a gluten-free Christmas crack. We're going to preheat the oven to 375 degrees, measure out the flour, and whisk it together with the baking soda. And we're going to take our shortening, cut it into dime-sized pieces, and add it to the dry mix into our food processor or blender. Pulse the mixture until the mixture looks like wet sand and holds together when it's pinched between your two fingers. Add in water and milk and pulse a few times until the dough starts to become like smooth. Lightly flour a sheet of parchment paper now or a non-stick pan if you're using that, and place the dough on it. Sprinkle a little bit of flour over top the dough and spread it out until it's the size of a book. You can also go flour on top of a rolling pin and roll it out that way. I just find this to be the easiest way. And using it when you're peeling it up, use a knife to scrape it off if any starts to stick to it. Cut it into squares. Don't worry about it looking too pretty because it's going to go underneath the toffee in this recipe. In order to make sure they get crispy like saltines, we're going to take a fork, and I just like to poke 3 separate holes in each one. We're going to put them in the oven now for about 10 minutes, rotating every 5 until the crackers are golden brown or not springy to the Dutch. We're going to begin by taking a small saucepan and combine melted butter with brown sugar. Turn the stovetop on to medium-high until the edge of the mixer begins to bubble. Add the salt and vanilla in. We're going to continue boiling for about 3 minutes until it reaches 275 degrees Fahrenheit. If you're not using a thermometer, see the recipe for notes. Once it's done, we're going to take it off heat and pour it over the crackers. Take a spatula and spread it over the crackers. Just be careful not to get it onto your fingers in this part. It is like 275 degrees. Put it into the preheated oven for about 3 minutes until it's bubbling on top like this. Then we're going to put on a cooling rack, pour the chocolate chips over, spread them with a spatula until they are nice and smooth on top. And then if you want, you can add toppings like sprinkles or Oreos or M&Ms, but I'm choosing sprinkles for this because I like the colors. But pull it in the fridge until the chocolate's hardened and you're ready to go. If you liked the video, the recipe is linked in the description. Leave a like and subscribe for more videos in the future. Thanks for watching.